Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our trainer will cover the difference between automated and live webinars. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
When it comes to webinars, choosing the right format can help you attract the most leads and get the highest return of investment. Webinars only have two types, automated and live. In this module, we'll discuss the difference between these two types and the pros and cons of each one. This will help you choose the right one for your next event. Automated sales webinars, from the word itself, are webinars that are automated. They are pre-recorded in advance and aired at specific times through the webinar platform. The biggest convenience of automated webinars is that you don't have to be there for your audience when it airs. Pros: refined content, high quality production, reaches a bigger audience, flexible. Cons: less personal, non-interactive, will require future updates, danger of complacency. Live webinars are executed in real time. A speaker is present for the audience as they are responsible to deliver the company's presentation and hope to have a successful sales pitch. They are also responsible for answering people's questions and concerns. Pros: more authentic, versatile, provides real-time offers, follow-up opportunities, likely to convert better. Cons: prone to errors, technical issues, opportunity costs, time constraints.